Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruising Classics here. Introducing a very cool 1959 Studebaker Silver Hawk. Somewhat of a rare bird. It does have the optional Continental kit on the back. Operates easily. It is painted in Hawaiian green, which is offered in the 59s as well. The white top. Cool looking winged body. Very apropos for its time. It's powered by a V8 automatic transmission. She runs and drives quite well. 15-inch tires on all fours. Those are steel wheels, wired caps. Beautiful looking grille. Newer chrome. It's a blast from the past, and it is one cool looking ride. I mean, that's all there is to it. Inside, you'll find it being mostly newer. And make sure you hang out at the end of this video. I'll have some stills of the interior undercarriage, engine compartment, the trunk. With newer seat covers, door panels, carpet. Stewart-Warner Gauges, Pyle Stereo, Brody Knob to make the steering a little bit easier. There are manual drum brakes on all fours. And she's got wings. I mean, come on. Give us a call here at Cruising Classics. We'll be glad to help out in any way that we can. Go to our website at cruisingclassicsinc.com. Check out this 1959 Studebaker Silver Hawk. We have it priced very reasonably. Very reasonable. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruising Classics.